Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can invite friends on AliExpress easy method. So guys, go to Google and search for AliExpress and open your official website as you can see here, and make sure to log into your account. After that guys, go to setting. After go to settings, scroll down easily here on the left and click the invite friend as you can see here. To invite friend guys, just you download this app on App Store or the official AliExpress website. After that, official application, and after that open up and click the mic account and go to you find the invite friend on setting, and you get unique link to send, and you can send this to friends. And this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content. See you on another video soon. Keep watching guys.